Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to continue our chemical reactions of the chapter Digestive System. Now let's move on with it. Now see, as you can read the topic, today we are going to deal with the action of intestinal juices secretion. Now in this, the first reaction which we have is of your dipeptidases. Dipeptides gets converted into dipeptides gets converted with the help of dipeptidases, with the help of enzyme dipeptidases. Now the dipeptides gets converted with the help of dipeptidases into the amino acids. First reaction, we have this. Now the another one, see, in another one, let me take another. See, in another reaction, maltose. The maltose, with the help of maltase, with the help of enzyme maltase, gets converted into glucose plus glucose. Now see, there will be many coming ahead in which we can see glucose and fructose, glucose, galactose, but here in case of maltose, we are having glucose plus glucose in the product side, right? Now see, we are going to see the third one now. In third one, sucrose. Sucrose, with the help of the enzyme, sucrase, gets converted into glucose plus fructose. Glucose and fructose. Now this you should remember that in case of maltose, you are going to have the product as glucose and glucose, while in case of sucrose, we are going to have glucose plus fructose, right? Now moving to another one. See, the another one which we can have is the reaction of nucleosides. See, nucleosides, with the help of enzyme, nucleosidase, gets converted into sugars plus bases. See, now this is very helpful that in case of nucleosides, the enzyme is nucleosidase. If we consider nucleotides, then the enzyme would be nucleotidase. See, let me tell you the reaction of nucleotidase as well. See here. Now, if we take nucleotides, in case of nucleotides, the enzyme would have been nucleotidase. Right? The enzyme is nucleotidase, and the nucleotides gets converted into the nucleosides. The nucleotides, with the help of nucleotidases, gets converted into nucleosides, while nucleosides, with the help of nucleosidase, gets converted into sugars plus your bases. Now let us take the last reaction which we have, that is of glycerides, that is your monoglycerides and diglycerides. Monoglycerides and your diglycerides with the help of enzyme lipases, gets converted into fatty acids, and glycerol. In this reaction, these monoglycerides and diglycerides, both in presence of lipases, gets converted into fatty acids and glycerol. Now these were a quite few important chemical reactions which takes place as in form of action of intestinal juice secretions. Now these were the reactions for today. Now afterwards we are going to discuss some of the important calorific values which are present in NCERT of chapter Digestion and Absorption, which many does not consider to be important, but the calorific values are very, very important. Now, thank you for it.